just touch that nice and flat on the content. Go for the first lane here, actually. Follow the Audi up.
Follow the RS. Oh, it's RS3.
Yeah, RS3. Nice.
And
So
then
if
you
you-
said just turn this
Yeah,
up?
I'll do it now.
Oh, okay.
Okay, cool. So watch what the Audi guy does. You'll see him reach out.
Okay.
There we go. You just touch in the same place with them.
Okay.
Nice, perfect. And away we go. Here we come. There's a small speed hump just at the end here.
Okay.
And then we go left and right through the cones.
Okay.
Just going to pop us into full sport mode.
Okay.
To the right hand side and then build up some speed on the gas. Go, go, go. All the way down to the left, you can stay on the gas if you're confident. For this first corner, we're just going to do a small brake. Not yet though, it's okay, not yet. Just a tiny brake here off, and then a little bit of gas through the left and the right. And then stay tight right for me. There we go, just lift off the gas here and turn in. And then brake towards the apex. A little bit more, in we come nice and tight. And then on the gas to the left. So you can start to feel what sort of grip we've got. Tiny brake here and then hard right. And then on the gas all the way to the top right corner. Come past this car on the left. Lovely, and that's all we need to do. We're going to brake at the top of the hill. Brake here. And then drop us into the apex nice and tight. And then on the gas down the middle of the track. And then into this apex, stay on the gas. And then all the way down the left. And then brake here. Off the brakes turning. And then gas down the left hand side. Stay left and then let the car naturally come to the right. Big brake here, big brake, big brake, big brake. Don't race things into the corner. So remember to try not to race things into the corner, you'll be okay. Here we come, onto the gas to the right. Lift and turn in. Don't worry about the BMW. Lift and turn in. Turn in nice and strong and then stay to the right and you can come past. So that's how we do it. All the way to the left now. Tiny brake and in we come. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. And then on the gas down the hill. Go, go, go. Nice. We're going to go over the hill, then up to the right, and stay on the gas and come past the silver car on the left hand side. We're going to brake at the top of the hill. Here we go. Off the brakes, that's it. Now a little bit of gas on the way through. Keep turning, keep turning. And then stay on the gas through the next right. And this is technically a straight. It goes left, left, left.
Okay.
You don't need to come off the gas at all.
Well, the G-forces are insane.
In we come for the last left. When we get to the top of the hill on the right hand side, just come off the gas. So off the gas. And then brake hard here. Off we come turning. Now a little bit of gas as we come through. And then keep us tight down the left. Lovely. And then brake all the way down. It's a long, tight right hander. In we come. Now a little bit of gas as we come through. And then hard gas on the exit. Go, go, go. Come past the RS3. Nice. Over the brow, it just drops left. Lift here and turning. And then onto the gas down the hill. Really good. All the way down, we're going to brake at the bottom of the hill on the left hand side. Stay on the gas. And brake here. In we come nice and tight. And then brake here. And then off the brakes, turning. Off the brakes, that's it. Down the left hand side. Lift and turn in. And stay tight right for me. Tight, tight, tight. Straight to the barrier. Stay right, stay right, stay right. Tiny brake, big turn in. In we come. And then a little bit of gas all the way through the right hander. And then hard gas all the way down the straight. Go, go, go. Lovely. Fast car coming in. And then back onto the gas. There we go. Straight down for me to the left. And then brake to the right. Brake to the right. In we come. So remember, if a car comes past you, it's faster, we won't be able to keep up. Big brake here. Big brake, turning. Nice and tight, that's it. And then gas to the apex, then gas down the left. Over the hill and brake. Stay left, stay left. second apex, and then hard gas to the marshal post. Brake at the marshal post, then it's a quick left right. Here we come. And then gas down the left hand side. And we're going to brake before the next corner, so triple right. Off the brakes, that's it. And then come into the second apex. Now onto the gas, all the way down the left. Go, go, go. Slowest corner on the track, this is. Big brake. Turn in tight. Off the brakes. Second brake. Second apex. Big turn, and then gas, gas, gas. Nice. All the way down the left. It's a fast right-hander. We brake after the corner. So come in tight. And then brake here. A little bit more. Turn in tight. And then back on the gas, all the whilst you're going left. Nice and tight, nice and tight. Brake here. Off the brakes, turn in. Then hard gas. Go, go, go. Nice. All the way up the right-hand side. For the next corner, you just lift slightly before, and then back on the gas when you go through. So lift, turn in and back on the gas. There we go. We're going to brake in line with the black sign. Brake here, stay left, off the brakes, but stay left. Now turn in, and then hard gas, go, go, go. Everything is gone. Nice. Again, technically a straight, it goes left, left, left. You can stay on the gas. Come into each of the tiny apexes, you don't need to brake. Just stay on the gas a bit more, and we can come past them again in 2 corners. So come to the right, but stay behind the Renault. No brakes for me. Turn in tight, and then hard on the gas. Stay tight, right, and then hard on the gas. And you should move over in a second. Stay on the gas, it's a fast right-hander. Lift, and now round the outside, no brakes, big turn, and then on the gas. Nice, all the way down the left. There we go. Small brake, turn in hard, big turn, and then gas, 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 all the way. Yeah, well done. All the way to the top left of this hill, we brake at the top of the hill, and then turn right. Off the brakes, turn right. And then all the way down the left-hand side. We brake at the start of the curve, come left. Brake here, stay left. Off the brakes, now turn in. Big turn. Onto the gas slowly. And then full gas, go, go, go. So be aware of the bike ahead of us. Straight up. We're going to drop into the carousel. Brake here. A little bit more. Give the bike a little bit of a gap as we come through. Keep turning, then onto the gas. Come to the left and come past the bike. Nice and comfortably. As we turn right, just a very small brake. Off the brakes, turn left, back onto the gas. There we go. Stay right. Brake at the start of the curve and turn in at the end. In we come. Now a little bit of gas all the way through the right. Exit on the left, and we brake at the top of the hill. Off the brakes, turn in. Keep coming. And then gas to the left. Nice. Brake here. Bit more, turn in. Come in nice and tight. A little bit of gas now brings up the inside of the MX-5. Nice and tight. And then hard gas down the left. Here we go. Nice. Brake here. In we come. It's a tight turn. Keep turning. Straight. Brake to the middle of the track. Bit more brake, turn in. Now use the gas to pull us left. Stay left. Brake here. Off the brakes, turn in. And then gas down the left. It's a tightening right hand, this one. Brake here. In we come, big turn. And then onto the gas, keep turning. There we go. Deep corner, this one. Straight in. Brake here. Bit more brake. In we come. And then gas to the right at the top. Lovely, long line to left, just a small lift at the bottom. Here we come. We're going to do 2 small brakes, one before the jump, one after. Stay on the gas for a minute. Tiny brake off, and then in we come. Off the brakes, it's good. In we come, nice and tight. Lift here, turn in, and then on the gas down the right hand side. Don't brake, turn in. There we go. Brake here, turn in, and then back on there. Turn. Keep turning, then go straight on the
Damn, Kev, how you feel?
I don't know. What was my time?
It was amazing.
like 10 minutes?
It's